Hi guys, I've been wondering about how we can get rid of these quotes whenever we type up strings because they get really annoying. I wish we could just print them out. Print. That's green highlighted. That means that it's a function. So let's put something in it. Print hello world. World. Problem solved. So now that we learned about this special print function, let's check out this slideshow someone made called print formatting. The print function returns no quotes and it can print variables. That seems like everything we missed out on with just typing strings. Print formatting. So there are many complicated ways, but the syntax is print blah blah blah, comma, X. Basically, if you want to type something that's not a string or connect two strings with maybe something else in the middle, you can use this kind of syntax. You can probably add a lot more, I assume. Let's check it out. So, let's start by saying my stir equals hello there and print my stir. Hello there. Well, now let's try doing the print formatting thing. So let's say x is equal, now let's call it favorite number. Favorite num equals 2. Print my favorite number is favorite number. Num in this case. My favorite number is 2. So, this seems like it covers everything we needed. Well, I hope you learned something along with me. As always, this was Nitro Learn.